Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16P5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS16P5 won't turn on, you are not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty motherboard, which can happen from power surges, overheating, or simply wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a new motherboard compatible with the MSI MS16P5. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. Gently use the plastic spudger to lift the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once opened, locate the motherboard, which is usually situated centrally. Examine the connections, paying particular attention to the power connector and any ribbon cables attached. To remove the motherboard, first disconnect the power cable and any other peripherals. Make sure to note where each cable connects for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the motherboard, typically found around the edges. Use moderate force when unscrewing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws you may have missed. With the screws removed, gently lift the motherboard from the chassis, ensuring you do not pull any cables too hard. Place the new motherboard into the same position as the old one, reconnecting all cables in their original places. Once everything is connected, secure the motherboard with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to check all connections once more to ensure nothing has been left loose. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are engaged. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. To test your repair, plug in the device and attempt to power it on. If all goes well, your MSI MS16P5 should come to life. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your laptop is well ventilated and avoid using it on soft surfaces that may obstruct airflow. Regularly check for software updates, as these can also help in managing hardware performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.